right, we are going to focus on helping you with the chord change stuff this week, and also do a new rhythm. So I'm going to look ahead at number 2 here. So we got this open A5 chord. We haven't messed with that much, but we're definitely doing it this week. So yeah, I will use my index finger to bar, but I also have my thumb over the top to mute. Okay? If you need to use 2 fingers, something like this, to help you get that thumb over the top, definitely do so, because that's really the only way you're going to be able to mute that low E string. The thumb has to be up over the top, right? If you could do the index finger just barring like that, that would be fantastic. And that might just be something to work on periodically. Some people, they just have to use 2 fingers, so just fiddle around with it, see if you can get it to work with the bar. If you just can't, use a couple fingers instead. So let's get to number 1 first. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. So we're basically looking at polyrhythm. First, well, we kind of introduced this last time. Basically, you have 2 chords evenly spaced across 1, 2, 3 beats. So you can think of it like you have like 2 different tempos going on at once, which is what the polyrhythm is. So first tempo, you have the 3 beats happening at starting off at 60. But because the chords are also evenly spaced, basically a beat and a half apart, so beat, whoops, a beat and a half, beat and a half. And this continues on, so the chords you strum are also evenly spaced. So all the beats are evenly spaced. And that happens at its specific tempo. And then the chords are also evenly spaced, but they're spaced further apart, so it's actually happening at a slower tempo. So, but it's always consistent. So you guys, yeah, the beat, the metronome's clicking at 1 tempo, but the chords are always being strummed at a slower tempo. It all lines up together, so basically every time you've done your 2 chords, you'll line up again on the next, this beat here, so this will be the 4th beat. So yeah, we're gonna, every time that this rhythmic pattern starts again, we'll go to a new chord. So you got your down stroke, up stroke there. Still want to make sure you do the ghost strums in between. And finish with just some straight ahead 8th notes in this 4th bar. So hopefully that makes some sense there. We can talk more about that next week, of course. Let's get down to 60 beats per minute. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. I say you can really count this any way you feel like it. It might be easier if you just think of it as like one and then one and, or just down, up, and maybe do some kind of percussive singing along with it. So I'll just say the down and up strokes this time around. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up, or you could also do something like 1, 2, 1, so on. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Yeah, the B diminished and G chords are now correct. That's good. We'll wait until we get together next time before we start doing the new theory stuff. Just make sure it's simple, or as simple as we can be. I think that covers it all. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you again next week.